Mr. Banerji, if you can speak about your early life.
Everybody was engineer in the family. By default, I became engineer.
How was your experience at Maruti Suzuki?
If you know little bit about Maruti, even today, I would claim that we are highest paid in India, even more than software companies. If you know little bit about Japanese and American, so it is known for Japanese that they will take 9 months for planning and 3 months flawless execution.
How would you explain Kaizen to somebody who is outside the manufacturing?
So when you talk about Kaizen and Lean, Lean is all about mother-like attitude. Say when nurse-like attitude is what is told, people do. But mother-like attitude is what is not told, you still do, and you take ownership. Now we have learned that we have to do face-to-face interview because they will be opening ChatGPT, answer everything. When they are on board, we find nil but a sannata. So the technology and GenZ is going so fast, we have to also cope up because we are also going into that.
The most common mistake or even the biggest mistake?
Most of people today are largely into discussion and less on shop floor.
Has it ever happened to you that you walked into a factory, within minutes you know what's fundamentally wrong there?
Yeah, I've got a very small principle. Take me blindfolded to any company or any organization. Blindfolded and open my eyes at the gate. So I would gauge a company, how on a treated at gates.
Here do you see, can India build a culture comparable to the Japan's culture, which has this quality mindset?
Japan had to go for ISO. It cleared in 1 day. Here we will take 1 year. Because whatever they say stays done. There you have supervisors just as a leave result. Here we have supervisor कि 10 times जब तक नहीं बोलेंगे, things are not going to get cut.
Like, share, comment, and stay tuned for the full episode.